What's up, guys? Welcome back to truboyzrc. Today we out here with the Traxxas X-Maxx. We finna get it in. Man, we got a cool little bass spot today, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. X-Maxx Playground, baby. X-Maxx Playground, baby. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Tighten up, X-Maxx. Let's go, baby. Man, got so much torque. So much torque, man. Look at that. Hey, shout out to my brother Tom Traxxas. Shout out to JT's RC. Shout out to Crucial RC. Shout out to Rajay 111. Shout out to my big brother, Gap A to Z. Got Reviews A to Z. Make sure y'all subscribe to all of those guys' channel. Shout out to my brother Mojave 876. The truck coming, so we gotta get out the road, guys. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Traxxas X-Maxx is a beast, guys. I'ma tell you. Get you one, baby. Look at that. That's why. That's why you want to get you one. Huh? That's why. Right there. Look at that. Every time you hit the gas, baby. Yes, sir. That's Willie all the way back. What's this remote saying? Got a timer on it? What this time is. I don't know what my remote is doing. Huh? Alright, guys, let's get a. I love that. When you do the spin around with the X-Maxx, that is so cool, guys. Yeah. 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 Donut, baby. Check that X-Maxx out, guys. Beauty. That's a beauty right there, you guys. Yes, sir. Going through that thing like a pit bull, baby. Huh? Like a pit bull, baby. Huh? Oh, you almost got me. I had to pull it back, guys. It's a lot of dirt, guys. The X-Maxx is just a fun bashing vehicle, guys. Get your X-Maxx. You will not regret it. You will not regret it, guys. I got one stunt I do want to try. I want to try jumping across the street. Might break it, but come on, big dog. Sir. It's what you made for, baby. Every time I hit it, he go sideways. I want to try to jump the street. Get up here. That's what these tires are good for. It's dirt like this. Bro, you got the Mojave, boy. Let's go, baby. Hey, y'all, check this out. My brother got that new Mojave, baby. He just texted me. My brother got reviews. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. Boy, I hope you hear it, my boy. I'm happy for you. Hey, just got off work. Go ahead and get that Mojave. Yes, sir. I'm after you, big bro. It's coming this week. Get it in, bit bro. Make sure y'all subscribe to Gap Reviews A to Z. That's him. Yes, sir. Let's go, X-Maxx. Oh boy, I can't even get him gas like that, boy. He is on the wham wham. Can't even give it nothing but half throttle, guys, because he got so much power. Yeah. body was way back there, but I picked it up. My battery is hot. Oh my gosh. Oh, you did pretty good, X-Maxx. I love you. Oh, I love you. This is why I love the X-Maxx, baby. Still going strong. Let's put the battery back in. See what we get, guys. Make sure the X-Maxx is still running like a king that it is. Hey, like I said, shout out to Gap Reviews A to Z. Make sure y'all subscribe. Shout out to Tom Track. Shout out to J Mitt. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate you too, Tom Track. Shout out to everybody. Mojave 876, Crucial RC, Rajay 111, Say the Roots, 11 Charlie, Uncle Steve O.D. Shout out to everyone, man. TNT Bashers. Shout out to you, big bro. Nick's Custom RC. Shout out to Rich D. Shout out to TNT RC Bashing. Shout out to Soul Flow RC. Shout out to Carnage and Crawling RC. Shout out to TP Parts RC and Stream. Shout out to James J. Shout out to Void X RC. That's my brother, man. Make sure y'all go check out his new video, Void X RC. Make sure y'all go check it out. Check out JD Passer. Check out Void X RC. He has a new video which he gave me a shout out on, and I appreciate that very much, big bro. Shout out to Say the Roots. Shout out to Panza Rivera. Shout out to Sean Thompson. Shout out to RC Snap-On. Shout out to Island RC. Dude, plenty more, man. Sorry if I didn't get you on this one. Shout out to JT's RC. My brother, man. Keep killing it over there. Shout out to Tough Guy 40. Shout out to Shins RC. Hey, I got your stickers. Didn't even realize I had your stickers, brother. But I'm finna do a video sticker shout out, and you're gonna be in it. I'm just waiting on one fella to send me his stickers. For all you guys that sent me stickers, I'm sending them out tomorrow because today the post office was closed. So be looking out for those in the mail. This is my brother Void X RC. This is his channel. Make sure you guys go check him out. Void X RC. Like those cool new stickers that you have. All right, there we go. Make sure y'all go drop a like, comment, and subscribe on his video. This is what my brother said.
Tires on here, these things are really terrible, no foams inside, and I'm sure they're gonna balloon. But I was inspired by watching all of truboyzrc speedruns lately to stick some street tires on here and give it a rip.
Check him out, just like that thing say. Check him out, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, and I appreciate that, Void X RC. All right, guys, man, the X-Maxx looks so beautiful, man. So beautiful. Let's make sure he's still running right. Oh yeah. The only thing I hate about flipping over, man, if you like far away. Yeah. Need to go get that. Man, check out Hobby Wayne 800 kV with the Max 5 combo. It's a beast. No lie, every time you step on the gas. Every time. And we got the belt drive. I got my own GPS that's coming in the mail today, hopefully. Alright, we're gonna do a speed run with the X-Maxx with the 30-35 gears. And then we're gonna put the belt drive on and do a comparison video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. As you can see, X-Maxx is doing his thing like he's supposed to. Huh? Somebody asked me about the range on this, man. This range is awesome. Yeah, epic. I hope my camera catching it. Oh man, that would be so epic. Oh. Let's get it. Ah! All right, guys, make sure y'all stay tuned. truboyzrc. We're gonna see y'all on the next one. Shout out to everybody that subscribed to my channel. Much love, respect. RC fan for life, true fan for life, brothers for life. Appreciate y'all. Let's get it, baby. Out of here.